Hi there, I'm Steve from stevehoney.com. Okay, today is a bit unusual. Okay, a lot of bees activities around my no drown bee feeder here. I've been testing because my instructor told me that do not use hot water, use boiling water to dissolve the sugar. Because normally I've been using 1:1 ratio of this sugar with water, means one part of sugar and one part of water. I try to dissolve the sugar in the water, but not 100% the sugar will dissolve inside the water. So today I trying to use boiled water. It's a hot water, 100% dissolve, and seem like the bees like it very much. So just to make the air clear, okay, this is a myth that my sifu told me that do not use boiling water, because in the jungle you can't get boiling water. And I will try to observe, because if I use tap water, in the end of the day the sugar content will, like, inside got the fungus growing inside the syrup. Eventually you need to throw away the syrup. It cannot be used anymore. So I think there is no chance for the syrup to left over overnight. If overnight in the syrup, you will get something like algae in the syrup. So eventually you need to throw away it. Okay. Today activities is 3 times than normal. I think just because of the syrup, the sweetness is enough, so attracted the bees coming. Okay, seems like they are very much enjoying it. So I will put more video to update on the bees activity on the syrup. Remember to subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you very much. See you again.